Just to try the validation, I will submit an empty form. Okay, and it seems that validation doesn't work. Let's see why. I don't have a question, but I still uh, go here inside the check. So I pass the first condition, which I check the post task, and uh, then I check if I have a question, and it seems that I go here, which is not so normal, which is not so normal. Okay, so checking the question, submitting the data, and I still have a question. And yeah, I'm suspecting that actually by default I have some value here, maybe an empty string, but no, I don't have it. Okay, yeah, that is normal. I always have this question because it exists, but what I need to also check if the question is set. So if I just write here this one, I will check if the question returns true, and it will return true if I have a value inside. So this will be enough. And now I save. Okay, try again to submit the form. And now I see the validation error to fill all the data. If I uh, fill the data, for example, how to create process data form, and then ask. So now I see the question, which is your computer question is how to create process data form. Okay, and I can actually remove that condition to make the script even more flexible. And now if I save, I can submit the form again and write the question how to create a page, for example. But I can create a page when I write a computer program. I also can create a page when um, I write a book. This is kind of abstraction. So let's check what will happen if I choose book. And now I see your book question is how to create a page. When it switches to the computer, I will see your computer question is how to create a page. And it seems that our simple logic works. And about the